Hi, my name's Dan Daley. I'm the Managing Director of Field International UK. Field International are a group of manufacturing companies that specialise in aircraft tooling and ground support equipment, but also in the UK we have a second specialisation of machining and kitting for the aerospace and defence sector. So I suggested we use the Original Gauge company. The type of work we do is quite specialist and quite abstract sometimes in terms of the requirements for gauging. I've known Russell for many years and I was familiar with the business, and because of the speed of turnaround that they can offer and the diversity of product that they can offer, they seem like an ideal fit for our needs. Based on our interactions, I definitely recommend Original Gauge company. They've been attentive, on time, quality's always great. The team are very much now engaged with using them as well, and that's always a good sign for me. My recommendation is fine, but it's the interaction that the team get from using a business that will mean whether they get used again or not.